Goko ne kwa Kikuyu podcast. Thutha wa interview ya Sifuna, mutongoria wa bũrũri ni okite na koria. Kwina andu marauga Ruto must go. Akauga ihinda ria kinya nionani no ngainuka ta atongoria a bũrũri aria manakorwo mena huthutha. Ungirora facial expressions cia mutongoria wa bũrũri after that interview ya Sifuna guka kumumania, the guy is just ndiwe mutongoria wa bũrũri aronekana ndari na hinya ona hanini. Eyo interview irokire iramunina fiu. Ngimukira video ino ni kwenda muno urore facial expressions ciake na uigue ciugo ciake. Na thutha hena handu atanjite kauga atiriri, inyu murauga Ruto must go, tuhei plan yanyu na mutwe mibango yanyu. So arenda Gachagua mamuhe kama arenda Gachagua mamuhe manifesto yao, mamwira plan ciake itheti manifesto yao meguko makirik kurie. Kwa nini wajinga? Arenda ayere their plans abe ko implement. Hii atagoja hadi 2027 higo maoka na manifesto yao. Hii atagoja hawezi kuja hawezi manifesto yao ya mutongoria bũrũri akeria. Na itaramukia video ya mutongoria bũrũri akeria, hena mubunge wetagwo Ojenda, ero mundu wa ODM niokite na kana predict ati after githurano gĩa 2027 prediction yake ni ndetikirania nayo mwena umwe no mwena umwe ni ndaregana nayo. Arauga coalition ya Gachagua ni koya ite nyingĩ thĩinĩ wa bunge, thĩinĩ wa senate, both houses. Coalition ya Gachagua ni koya ite nyingĩ, no akauga ati Ruto ni agashinda hapo hapana. Haiwezi. Hapa ni ngumu. Haite yes no must go gushinda hapo ni ngumu. The way things are now itakuwa ngumu ya mutongoria wa bũrũri.
Listen to another group of friends and Kenyans, brothers and sisters, who say Ruto must go. And for sure, just like those who were there before me, my time will come and I will go. Just like those who were there before me did. But respectfully, sirs, madams, let me ask you. So, what are your reasons for this Ruto must go? I'm sure it's not because of the spelling of his name. Maybe because you don't agree with the ideas, the policies, and the plan he has for our nation, which is okay. But please, would you kindly favor us with your counter plan, with your alternative plan? Because the more I listen, the more it is sloganeering. It's not about a plan.
Guys, mutongoria wa bũrũri akeria, he was down to earth. Aonekana akinyeta mwisho. Eno ni betrayal itari yonekana mĩrĩre Sifuna araririe na kĩama kĩa ODM. Akacoka akauga atiriri ati nyuĩ mũrauga Ruto must go. Moe plan yanyu. First, he never thought that kana matireciiragiria agenda ya Gachagua ya Kuuga uria Gachagua makoretwo makiuga Ruto must go. They never thought ati mwena wa ODM na Sifuna atongoretie no moke mauge Ruto must go na makauga iyo niyo agenda namba ĩmwe. They never thought about that. Na igweya Sifuna augire uguo, they were all shocked. Na ikiorona thaici kinara araria stena hinya ethi tondu ni arona already andu aya nimo mugarurukite. He was told kunyitana na Raila ne kuikia mutego-ini munene. He never reasoned. Now see what's going on. And nabado, I tell you nabado. Hena higo wokinya riu, woko riu ni mass movement. I tell you as we speak, module oya shiria kuingia mwena wa tuta amebadilisha mawazo. Mtu yote alikuwa anafikiria ama niingie huku kwa Ruto, amebadilisha mawazo. In fact, after interview oya trendete, ado ingi aria methini wa thirikari maisha riu uria mekuma more pio theni wa regime kila mtu kunaenda aje wewe. Yani that's how things are. Maisha yani maisha uria mekora as you speak. Ado ya goshi adu ni gimethini wa regime ya Ruto. But let me tell you the truth, no mere ironekana no meshiria maandu acio na ngoro ciao stay theni wa thirikari ino maoria 2027 igakinya riri ngikiambiriria nyume thie. Majority of them oguo niguo kore. Majority of them oguo niguo mefakite. I tell you now, Raila Ruto gashoka kauga atiriri, inyu murauga Ruto must go the opposition. Tuwaye your plan igetha bũrũri ũthiĩ na mbere. You want their plan? Okay. You want their plan? Okay. So wakuja sasa wakupe their plan. Maajabu. Maajabu hayo. Their plan is their manifesto. Okay, let me ask you a simple question. We are two dudes here. Hena mwiretu fulani turenda. Nino juke gwire uria ni we no wire your friend. Uria kuingire mwiretu ucio box yako. No mwire. Never. Okay, tuge atiriri. Hena gada ina muhiki. Muhiki uyu ni rejectete gada ino. Damuhiki ni agwete no want to half time. Gada geoka mwiretu akamienda. Riu we ukoria gada ino era ndo muhiki uyu wako atiriri. Riu plan cia kurira kundu uteithie. So it can't happen bana. Ino ni maajabu. Maajabu bana. You know what happened? Must go vote. Kuigata Gachagua or be just be kauru kanini. Magithi Germany. Video show the dana mokila. Magithi makidisas we saw Raila Odinga kinaju. We saw them there. Na kuri kungutika atiriri madiscussire oya mekoka ku impeach Gachagua. They impeached him. No, the same people orema discussed me ko impeach Gachagua. Now matienda mundu uyu a impeach Gachagua. They want to go. The person they impeached and here. Fact is, ni mami ya tiriri. Ona Raila anyitana na Ruto au Ruto tosha ataanguka. Wote wataenda pamoja. He knows that. ODM itaishia hapo. He knows that. So Mutongoria bũrũri knows hawashaenda, mimi nimebaki peke yangu. So what do? I was relying on these people. Now washanitoka. What should I do now? Kwa hiyo ni Sifuna ameongea kila kitu and they know Sifuna alia ni Raila alia. They know. So they are confused. They don't know what to do. Yani wako tu. Man, oh my nigga. Guy. Odo magini mago de ko to do ari. We. Hey. This guy has been cornered. Ruto has been cornered. Ruto has been cornered. You know, it's just the end of him. Tiodoge. Hakuna kitu ingine. Ni ile utongoria bye bye. Wiki ya mwaka 2027. Ni innovate State House. Atizi mtu mwingine ataenda pale. Yeah. Hakuli innovate kae pale forever. miaka 2 2 3 hivi peke yake, miaka 2, in fact miaka 2 peke yake, he's gone. That's how things are. Huko ni kwa podcast mwalimu nyureko inyo mnaona. Thank you, God bless you guys. It is what it is. Gama twine amurathime.